Happy birthday, Forever family! Can you believe it's been 45 years? What an amazing journey it's been. It's hard to imagine that all those years ago, Rex had the vision to create this forever dream. He built it on the simple principles of providing the highest quality products, designing a one-of-a-kind marketing plan, and of course involving the best people in the world who want the opportunity to build a business and attain what matters most. Now, 45 years later, here we are, building on that solid foundation he laid for us. And although we will never veer from those core values, we will continue to evolve and grow in this ever-changing world. I have vowed to harness the power of forever, to stay agile and promote growth. We will keep fresh and exciting by continually refining and enhancing our product line, and we will find new ways to do the business and keep up with the technology. We will continue to offer more opportunities for you to thrive because you, as FBOs, are in a place to grow like never before. So today, we will celebrate this 45-year journey, but more importantly, let us be inspired by the road ahead and the exciting potential that it holds. We're just getting started.